Today, we are going to change the 5250 under-counter Paragon water filter. First, we have to switch off the valve at the water point. Secondly, we will come to the filter. This one, if you have this, if it was there, take it out. If it doesn't have it, it's okay. First, we will take this out. You can see that it is locked. I have to pull this down so that I can lift up this tubing. So you do the same thing for the lower part. Hold down this catch and pull this out. That's it. So now we have a new water filter. We will do the same thing. Put the red color in here again. Push it down. You can see that it is locked. It is locked. I cannot pull it out anymore. And do the same thing for the white tubing. Push it in and it is locked. You see that? This is done. It is as easy as this. Thank you for watching the video.